Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Cardano is a big part of the crypto revolution. Often called the third generation cryptocurrency, Cardano has shown immense potential to become one of the most valuable coins on the market. One remarkable thing about the Cardano network is that even when the prices have been dropping, the networks continue to grow strong, and now investors are saying people should get excited because of the host of projects that are coming to the network very soon. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about why some are really bullish on Cardano's future, and why there are even talks of the coin exploding into the hundreds, or is it just hype? Let's take a look at what Cardano could do to reach $500. And could it even do it? Stick around until the end so you don't miss out on any information that might take your good money in the future. Before we start, if you like this type of content, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and don't forget, because it's super interesting, catching up on the world of investing. And now I just want to remind you all, especially the lawyers in the house, this video is not a piece of financial advice. Please talk to an expert before making any investments. Alright, now where were we? Cardano reaching $500. The crypto market as a whole has been going down since the beginning of this month. Cardano ADA has been on a downward trend for the past month, hovering at around the 80-cent mark. And that means that Cardano is currently the 8th largest coin in terms of market cap at the time of this recording. Cardano has been on a downward trend since the end of February. It experienced some upward movement in mid-February, but since then it's been going downwards. Despite Cardano's recent price movements, there are many investors that believe the coin is undervalued, and they are using that opportunity to buy as many coins as they can. While some investors have bet against Cardano, and they are also selling their coins. Before we continue, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like the video. Cardano is one of the most exciting crypto projects ever, even though its price has fallen considerably from the all-time high of $3 back in September. So many new and exciting developments have happened on the network since then. Many of these developments are going to expand the Cardano ecosystem, leading investors to believe that Cardano might reach $500. Let's take a look at those developments. The first of which is SundaySwap. SundaySwap has the entire Cardano community excited because it's the first DEX of its kind to be built on the platform. With SundaySwap, users are going to be able to stake, swap, borrow, and lend coins in a fully decentralized system. And now, many investors will be able to exchange their ADA tokens for other tokens on the platform. SundaySwap chose Cardano because the network is cheaper to run on and is also faster than many smart contract platforms. The benefit for Cardano is that SundaySwap will upgrade its DeFi capabilities. SundaySwap has a huge community following on Twitter, and many believe that SundaySwap will soon become one of the most popular DEXs in the world. Do note that SundaySwap is still in its early phases, and so there will be a few bugs here and there. But development is still ongoing, and you can expect a fully functional SundaySwap very soon. Once fully functional, you can expect a whole lot of trading to take place on Cardano thanks to SundaySwap, and with more trading, more users will join the network. And now this might be enough to make Cardano's price hit that $500 mark, but the remaining developments might also push it even further. The next major announcement that will have investors very excited is Plutus. Plutus is a programming language exclusive to the Cardano network, and it allows developers to build apps that interact with the Cardano blockchain. Plutus is allowing developers to confidently build smart contracts that will be correctly executed. Plutus smart contracts are a mix of on-chain code and off-chain code. Since the language is exclusive to Cardano, developers can expect more security on the network's smart contract. As you all know, smart contracts are essential to DeFi, and so a major upgrade to Cardano's smart contract technology means that there will be more DeFi opportunity and activity on the ecosystem. This means more DeFi borrowing and lending, and one great thing about Cardano is its focus on upgrading its utilities so that more institutional investors can adopt the network. It's why Charles Hoskinson has repeatedly mentioned that his focus is on improving Cardano's utility. As you can see, there are many projects that are going onto the Cardano ecosystem, and some could even make the coin's price go up to $500. Another exciting project for Cardano is the recently announced Flick2. Flick2 is a community media launchpad that's powered by the Cardano blockchain. Flick2's launch aims to empower content creators all over the world by changing the way media projects get funded. Flick2 has its token, Flick, which users can then hold onto and then use to vote on projects they support. They can also stake their Flick tokens and earn more tokens from the proceeds of successful media projects. One other way to earn Flick is through NFT airdrops and ISPOs. ISPO means Initial Stake Pool Offering. And now Cardano's community members can support their favorite media projects through the use of Flick too. This is one of the partnerships that will have many people bullish on Cardano even as the price has been hovering below the $1 mark. Many investors believe that at Cardano's current pace, the coin's price would soon see a huge surge to a brand new high. This is going to be great news for holders of Cardano because if the experts are correct, one Cardano token could reach $1,000. Another major partnership that could shoot up Cardano's price into the $500 mark is the recently announced partnership between Samsung and Veritree. Veritree is a blockchain-based tree planting management system, and they recently partnered with Samsung in a land reforestation project. Of course, Cardano will be part of the project, as Cardano will store Veritree's reforestation data. Cardano also partnered with Veritree to launch the first initial tree offering. Through this partnership, ADA holders can stake some of their coins to receive one free tree token. One tree token is equivalent to one tree, and since then, Cardano has collected over 500,000 tree tokens, which means over 500,000 trees to be planted. That's major news for Cardano, as major investors and companies are beginning to take note of the network's activity. Ever since the launch of the Alonzo hard fork, Cardano's owners have been serious about opening up the Cardano network for dApps. And to that end, Reverto is actually going to get launched on Cardano. Reverto is a blockchain startup that allows users to pay and manage their subscriptions using crypto. It's one of the biggest projects on Cardano right now, and 2021 saw it get voted to be the fastest growing consumer product at the World Blockchain Summit. Reverto recently launched its token sale, which was a huge success. In fact, Reverto made about $10 million in profit from the sale of its token. Reverto has its Cardano native token, Revu, on two major global exchanges, KuCoin and Gate.io. This is another one of the major deals that might cause Cardano to reach $500. But there's even more, some of which experts believe will bring many more users to the network. And you know what that means? As soon as Cardano has many more users, its price is going to shoot up. It could hit $500. And one of the reasons why experts believe that Cardano could do this is because of its low transaction fees. Its fees are among some of the cheapest in the whole crypto market. And another impressive thing to know is that over 1 million people have listed their share of the coins towards their earning of rewards. And it is a fact that any cryptocurrency that reaches 1 million stakeholders is a top crypto. There are also 160,000 active addresses on Cardano, and the value of locked funds is more than $100 million. Let's now take a quick market analysis of the Cardano ecosystem. For that, we're using what's going to be called the unbelievable MVRV metric. MVRV metric simply means market value to realized value. This metric is a tool used by investors, especially when they're trying to gauge the actual value of an asset. This metric shows you all the info that you need, like the number of investors in an asset and also if it's in or out of profit. So what does the MVRV tell us about Cardano? Well, the metric measured the profit and loss status of wallets with 88 purchases within 1 year, and it showed that the investors were holding onto an average loss of about 26%. This signals a potential boom in price for Cardano, and the cause of the boom is clear to see. Ever since Cardano launched, it's remained in a rapid growth phase, with many upgrades and projects launched on the platform. With marketplaces opening up for digital art and NFTs, Cardano's future is looking bright, and that's how the coin's price could reach $500.